I just wanted to quickly show you around this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom penthouse in Balcon de Benavista. It's a great size. It's got large terraces to the front and to the rear of the property. So you can choose whether you want to be drenched in sunshine or sitting in the shade. In here, the living and dining area, you've got a new log burner and also new air conditioning. Plenty of space for relaxing, watching TV, enjoying the view, entertaining, and then you can see the hatch there through to the kitchen. Out here on the south facing terrace, you've got a really nice sea view. Again, plenty of room for eating or for sunbathing. Nice and private. And then your north terrace through here, which you usually have a little bit more shade, handy in the high summer months. A lot of people use this terrace for the barbecue. Quite residential up here on Balcon de Benavista. Also a lot of winter residents come to enjoy the winter sun. Through here, again with a lovely view, you've got the kitchen. And then the master bedroom. And the ensuite bathroom, which has been made into this wet room. The second bedroom, plenty of wardrobe space. And the family bathroom. This area has got doors that you can use to make it into a private suite, or you can just shut the bedroom door and have access available to the family bathroom for any dinner guests or visitors.